Alright, what's going on YouTube? I just want to make a quick video. Today, this very day, our bus is open for you to come sleep inside of it. When we first got the bus, almost 3 years ago now, I said maybe we'll Airbnb it.
We could Airbnb it, add to our Airbnb empire.
And I've been saying maybe we'll Airbnb it for like 3 years. So over the last week, we've been trying to get the bus started, and I can't get it started. I have some parts coming, but for the next 2 or 3 weeks, we'll have the bus open for rental. And Joy went crazy and made it really, really cute. It's cuter than it's ever been, cuter than when we lived in it. So there's pillows, there's salt, there's pepper, you know, all the luxury items. So if you want to come stay in the bus, you've got 3 weeks. No promises that it'll be open again, but it's on Airbnb. There's links to it below. Special prize for the first person who signs up. Monday night, get here. Even if you're our Olympia friends, come stay the night. You can hang out on the patio with us, and we can hang out. And you can have the best night of sleep of your life. King-sized mattress in the back, tuft and needle. It's nice. Nice and quiet. The bus kind of rocks a little bit, rocks you to sleep. Anyway, so I made a quick little tour of the updated space, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.